Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I went to a coin show this weekend, picked up some miscellaneous stuff. It was a really nice show. Lots of vendors, I think around 90 tables. Everybody's just packed in there. Very busy, lots of people there. And so I picked up a few things. I was specifically looking for some miscellaneous items to fill up some constitutional silver tubes that I have. And just look around. I was a little disappointed with the pricing. I mean, silver's up, gold's up, so obviously prices are going to be up. But I was really hoping to find a little bit better deals because last year when I was there, I found some pretty great deals. But as you can see, I picked up some stuff, and let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so what I picked up was $3 face mercury dimes, which of course will be 30 of them. I picked up a roll of quarters, and the price on these, the roll of quarters was at spot, and the mercury dimes were below spot. You can see I got them 11 times, and on the day that I picked these up, spot was 11.3 times, so that's below spot. I'll take it every time. I picked up a couple miscellaneous mercury dimes, so I bought these two first because I had a tube with 48 mercuries in it, so I wanted to fill that tube. And I was really looking for 19 quarters to fill up a tube, but you know, with them being at spot, he had them in the roll. He didn't want to break it up. I just bought the roll, and I'll just pick up the 19 quarters later. The 3 Kennedys are also filling the tube. Now, some of my other videos have been showing some AU to BU Kennedys. These are just regular. I've got another tube that's got 17 in it, and I just wanted to finish off that one as well. And then just a couple miscellaneous items. I got a half-ounce Sunshine Mint round. Pretty cool. I just like that. I love the Sunshine Mint and don't have any half ounces, so I picked that up. Maybe use it for a giveaway at some point. Then also I got this, and this is really, really awesome. This is a 20-gram Geiger Bar. And look at how shiny that thing is. You can see my bar for my camera stand going across there. And let me make sure I watch that reflection. Isn't this thing beautiful? I just love this, you know. Geiger's got the, premium type silver from Germany that you can buy. But paid $10 for it, so not bad. Just a nice little bar to have. So that's what I picked up, just some miscellaneous stuff. Geiger Bar, Sunshine Round half-ounce, and the rest was all constitutional silver. So let's go ahead and fill up these couple tubes I bought this for. So here's my 17 Kennedys, and let's go ahead and get these in here. Of course, these would all be 1964. I don't have any 40 percenters, or I don't collect 40 percenters. I do have a few from picking up a quantity of stuff from people, but got a couple black spots on the head there, but that's okay. So you can see here, look at the difference in wear with Kennedys. Look at how that thing actually comes out of the top of the tube. So that shows you that these 64s do not have a whole lot of wear. And I can show you on, let's look at these walkers. Let's just take a moment. Let's take the walkers out. I just want to compare tubes out of this tube. Take the Kennedys out of here. Let's see how high up on this tube the walkers come. Just curious how much wear is on these walkers compared to the Kennedys. This is a great way to see it. I actually thought it'd be a little worse, but you can see here, see the gap there? It's almost enough for, it's almost enough for another coin, so you could still fit a 21st coin in there. That's how much wear is on the walkers compared to the Kennedys. So that's just the way it is. Walkers have been around a long time. Unless you're going to pay big bucks, you're going to get them, fairly wore down, out of circulation. But those are really cool. I'm still happy to have a roll of walkers. So let's go ahead and put these Kennedys back, and that completes my tube of Kennedys. I'll go ahead and leave them. I'm going to be transferring them into this tube anyway. I'll go ahead and leave them in here. So they come up a little bit less than this plastic tube, but still up there pretty high. So there's the Kennedys. And so I bought the 2 mercuries to fill up this tube. This tube has 48 in there. There's 50 in a tube. So let's go ahead and get these in there. And that's cool. Another tube of mercuries. That's awesome. And the rest of this is just miscellaneous. So now I've got 30 more to start my new tube of mercuries. So that's more than halfway there. Got a roll of quarters and some bullion. Talking some bullion here. Got some nice bullion here. Love the Geiger. My lights are really bouncing off them. I hope we put it like that. Does that help? Of course not. Anyway, just thought I'd show you my most recent coin show purchases. I showed this on my live stream last week, but I thought others might want to see it, check it out, and see what I've been picking up. Again, it was just kind of a miscellaneous day with miscellaneous stuff, and that's what I picked up. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.